Hello everyone, my name is Teja. I graduated in Electrical and Electronics department. After graduation, I have taken the full stack development course in the TalentSprint. I got placed in Saffron Digit. Before joining the TalentSprint, I have only the little bit of coding knowledge. I don't know much information about how the full stack development is and how the course will be. Especially I like about the structured plan of the course. It is having around 5 stages. They started from the basic, and they also helped us to do the practical projects and learn from our mistakes, and they have guided in each step, and then we have done a project. If we were having any doubts while doing the task, our mentors helped in clearing them. Mock interviews were conducted based upon our performance. In that mock interview, we have faced from the industrial experts. We have known how the questions are framed. So during this entire process, we learned many new things, and we have learned team building skill, and we also learned how to communicate in a proper way, in a professional way. So this was my entire journey in the TalentSprint.